As floodwaters continue to advance towards the Oshana region and other areas of Ohangwena region, we are now here at Onaminda village where the water crossed the borders yesterday. I'm now joined by the Inspector General of Namibian Police, Joseph Shikongo, who will be telling us about the assessment that the police has been carrying out during this past week. IG, welcome.
Yes, thank you very much, NBC. Thank you very much, listeners. We are currently at Onaminda, but we started with our assessment on the 16th, which was Monday, after we carried an operation along the Namibia-Angola border. That was now joined Namibian police and Namibian and the Angolans, the members from NAMURA, and then immigration, that we have specifically focusing on certain issues. But then, with the development of the flood, we went immediately to Engela. That's Ohongo area, Engela constituency, where we observed the water, which closed the road. That's Omafo or Utapi or Kalongo. And then we continue to monitor the water. And as of yesterday, the water was again observed in the areas of Kahenge. That's between a village called, actually in the areas of Ongonga. And then from there, this morning, we went in and we saw the significant increase on water flow that's moving towards the south from the north. And obviously, NBC joined us very early in the morning, and we continued assessing. And the purpose of this assessment, whereby law enforcement, we have also Colonel Joseph from Namibian Defense Force, who's part of us this morning. The purpose of our assessment is just really to ascertain the level of water and the amount of water, so that when we're doing our policing duty, we know exactly where the water is. And even if today members of the public are calling the police to go and render services, then we know exactly where to send them, where to close and where not to go. And also to warn members of the public to avoid walking into water, and also to assist the younger children or the children that are coming from school to ensure that they are not walking alone. And those who are driving vehicles, or to ensure that they don't just get in water. So basically that's it. And that's the current situation at Onaminda after we visited a number of areas in the Ohangwena area.
IG, just quickly still on the floods, you had earlier told me that the police also stands ready to give assistance with their facilities. What facilities are these and what assistance are you able to render if the flood situation gets out of hand?
So in the services that the police would be able to give, number one is public information. Through our community affairs officers in all the regions. We have them in Oshana, we have them in Ohangwena, we have them in Musati, we have them everywhere. They will be able to go immediately to the public and tell them what are the dangers regarding the flood. And the other thing again, we will also be able to, for instance, in case of drowning, we have got divers that are prepared by Namibian police force, and they are ready. And these are the people who are on daily basis involving incident of drowning, whether in a wall or whether in a lake or whether in a place such as Oshana. So we are ready. And we have also hoovers. And boats. They are also ready to move in any case. Currently they are in Zambezi, they are in Kavango, but should the situation dictate that we need to move some hoovers in Ohangwena or in Oshana, so the Namibian police is ready. We have also capacity, air support. We will also be able to bring in our helicopters, just also to ensure that we assist the civil authority, or we assist others working with the other law enforcement, such as the Namibian Defense Force, which obviously is the custodian when it comes to the monitoring and the advise the government the level. As we have seen yesterday, the Namibian Air Force went out to monitor so that they advise the government where we are now. So the Namibian Police Force is also ready to come on board when we are called upon.